What is going on, guys? This video is all about the Dow Jones. I'm going to explain what you need to know about the Dow Jones and how it can impact your trading. So whether you're here just to get some insight on what the Dow Jones is, or you're looking to potentially invest in the stock market, hopefully I'll provide some insight on this mysterious Dow Jones. All right, so a little history. So the Dow Jones was a company that was founded in 1882 by Charles Dow and Edward Jones. So the Dow Jones Company was one of the first major companies to deal with stock trading and market analysis. So in 1889, the Dow Jones Company actually created the Wall Street Journal, which is a major publication today. The Dow Jones Company's most famous contribution to the stock trading world is the Dow Jones Industrial Average Index. So the Industrial Average Index was created in 1896, and since then it's been the main U.S. economic indicator of stock markets. So what exactly is the Dow Jones Industrial Average? It is an index, meaning it takes a bunch of averages from companies and computes them to give you a general direction of how the economy is doing. It originally was only 12 companies, and most of them were in the industrial sector. That's where it got the name Industrial Average. Today in 2021, the Dow Jones Industrial Average is 30 companies. Some of the best companies in the US, the most actively traded, and it takes an average and it kind of gives you a general direction of how the stock market is doing. So the significance of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, because it's an average of those top 30 stocks, it can give us a good indication as to how the overall US market is doing. So when they say the market is down or the market is up, they're generally referring to the Dow Jones Industrial Average and or the S&P 500. So this index is generally considered the most vital in terms of analyzing how the US economy is doing. Generally, when the Dow Jones is up, we think of a bullish market, and when it is down, we think bearish. It's going down potentially. Many stocks may be up when the Dow Jones is doing well, and many might be down, but individual companies can be positive or negative despite the Dow Jones being up or down. Also, some sectors go opposite of the Dow Jones. So when the Dow Jones is down, there are other potential sectors that could be going up. It really depends on what they are. So in terms of investing in the Dow Jones, you cannot invest directly into the Dow Jones Company, but you can invest in the ETFs. So there are ETFs that go with the Dow Jones and they kind of replicate how it goes. So you can invest into these markets, but again, you cannot invest directly into the Dow Jones. So what exact companies are in the Dow Jones? All right, so here's a list of the current companies in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So again, there's 30 companies. So as you can see, you have things from Disney, Walmart, Verizon, Visa, Nike, JP Morgan Chase, IBM, Home Depot. So you have a couple different sectors. Apple, of course, 3M. So let's take a little look at how the Dow Jones has done over the past couple of years. All right, so all in all, the Dow Jones is just a collection of the 30, most actively traded and popular sort of stocks in different sectors in the United States. It gives us a general indication of how the market is doing. If you are stock trading in those potential fields or in those companies, you definitely would want to check out how the Dow Jones is doing before putting money into those accounts. If you're considering investing into those Dow Jones companies, you want to look at overall how the Dow Jones is doing. Is it on an uptrend or a downtrend? That could play a big role on your success in those particular companies. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Hit that subscribe and a big thumbs up for me. We'll see you guys next time.